Hi there. In this Facebook Fun review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you create and sell apps online using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Facebook Fun through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Facebook Fun? Facebook Fun is a cloud-based software that helps you create fully functional apps using ChatGPT. It's designed for anyone who wants to sell their own apps, use them as lead magnets, or even bundle them as bonuses for affiliate offers. What's cool about this software? You don't need to know coding or hire expensive developers. The AI takes care of the heavy lifting for you. Now, I want to be honest, this isn't some magic tool that's going to make you rich overnight. Facebook Fun provides tools and training to help you build your own software business, but you'll still need to put in the effort to make it work. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Easy app creation. Just enter some prompts, upload a logo, and customize your app in minutes. Pre-made prompts. If you're stuck, it comes with ready-to-use prompt templates for popular niches. Cloud-based platform. Everything is hosted online, so no need to worry about installations or updates. Monetization options. Sell your apps, give them away as bonuses, or use them as lead magnets. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Log in and start a new project. Enter app settings like the name, logo, and prompts. Save your app and share the URL to start selling or generating leads. No technical skills required, just follow the training and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the upgrades. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. Pro Upgrade unlocks additional features and removes limits. Done for you package. They'll set up everything for you, saving you time. Video creation training. Learn how to create engaging videos with AI tools. Graphics and e-covers add-on. Design professional covers and graphics effortlessly. Chrome Plugin Builder. Create and sell Chrome extensions. Reseller rights. Get 100% commissions by reselling the software. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the rest. What I like and what stands out to me about Facebook Fun. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for non-techies. The pre-made templates save you time. You can create multiple revenue streams by selling apps or using them as bonuses. While it's a great tool, it's not a replacement for a professional developer. If you're looking to create super advanced apps, this might not be for you. If you're looking for an affordable way to break into the software business or just want to add some AI-powered tools to your arsenal, Facebook Fun is worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below. And don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Facebook Fun review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.